We're in Ayford now because the tracks are down and I've got to get on to the Birmingham train now to from Ayford to Birmingham, and then from Birmingham I go off and get on to Sheffield. So I don't know if that's my train or not. Well, we'll have to see. So that's in it. From Hereford to Birmingham, and then get off at Birmingham and then straight to Sheffield. So I'm gonna be 46 minutes late, so that's not too bad. So right away. Okay, I've landed in Birmingham now, so I'm just looking around which I think is platform 9A. 9A I will look for, and then on my way to Sheffield. Beat it! I'm here. Yeah, Sheffield. Not much to look at here, like. But we're going to find the man with the car now. So we'll see you then.
Hello, Eva. This is a guy, Eva. Travel halfway across the world. I can see.
Hello, but yeah, finally, we made it.
Back
to the beast.
Alright, well, we'll get into that later on. Here we are, we're in the car. We've done the deed, we've paid the money, paid the man. A nice guy too. And we're just on the way back home now as we're on the M1. I tell you what, it feels quite tight here actually. It's, I would have said it's been looked after, this car. So well, we'll see after 4 hours. 4 hours to drive home. Oh my god. So 10 minutes into a 4-hour drive. So I'll see you when I'm knackered at the other end. That thing. I think that's an E380, I think. You don't see one of them every day. Wow, that thing's massive. It's huge. 2 hours into my drive back home and there's a first sign for wheels! Yay! Not long now. Good morning, next day. Fucking I was knackered yesterday. 9-hour round trip that was. But here she is. We're home. Not much to look at. I tell you what, this is like a stealth car in disguise, because Audi knew exactly what they were doing when they were building this. But all the magic is under here. That's what it's all about. There she is. I got another engine exactly the same as that one. But that's what we bought it for. All the wiring. We got the brake fluid. What was it? Brake master cylinder. We even got a battery. It looks quite new battery. Steering rack. We got everything. Basically, cut the front end of this car off, and that is going in the back of the Lambo. So yeah, I think they had a good deal, to be honest with you. She drives like it's brand new. It's been well looked after. I got receipts for everything. Everything's ever been done to this car. It looks serviced all the time. And a guy I met who sold me the car yesterday, lovely guy. Fair play to him. Yeah, not much more to say really. I mean, the outside of the car looks like a pile of shit. But mechanically underneath, she's a beast. She's got some power, raw power. So I'll set up a time lapse now, because I don't really want to see me every second trying to take this car apart. And let's get cracking.